Whether you've loaded a brand kit or not, you can add a paragraph style directly in GraFx Studio. Open the Resources panel and click Brand Kit. Go to the Text tab, and next to Paragraph Style, click the Add icon. Double-click to rename, and click the Edit icon. Select a font, font style, size, and any other options such as line height, letter spacing, and text alignment. You can also click the More Options icon for additional settings. Lastly, you can select a fill color. Please note, you can click the More Options icon to either edit, rename, duplicate, or delete it. To apply your paragraph style to a design, select your text and head over to the Properties panel. Under Text Style, select your paragraph style.